How to keep your phone unlocked when you are in trusted places on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, tap on extend unlock. Now put in your current screen pin or password. Then tap on continued. Next, tap on trusted places. And here, tap on add trusted places. Then on the map, you can put in the address of the trusted places, or you can use the pin and put the pin on a location on the map. And then tap on the address down here and then tap on OK. And that's it. So that is how you can add in a trusted places to keep your device unlocked. Now when you are going close by to near those trusted places, your phone will always stay unlocked. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.